Property, how to use it. In the 3 levels of management, property level is the most specific. This is where you can really evaluate the model output and dial in your strategy. Occupancy gap. There are 2 occupancy gaps that we measure performance by on the property page. The first gap is a comp against last year. This indicates how full you are compared to the same point in time last year. A negative gap means that you're trending behind last year's performance. The second gap is against the market, which is the purple line in the occupancy bar. This indicates how your property is performing compared to the surrounding market. One note of caution here, these are small numbers. Better trending data are found at the portfolio and market level. Filter options. Quibble categorizes each listing by its performance metric. This is a great way to filter the listings and create a queue. Creating a queue of underperforming properties allows you to work all of those listings with a consistent strategy. The same can be applied to star performers. Occupancy, ADR, and revenue. These are the key metrics to evaluate to understand if your pricing strategy is working. For each of these metrics, we're looking at a snapshot of where we are and a forecast of where we're going. It's our job as revenue managers to determine if we're happy with the trajectory of these metrics and steer them to the best possible outcome. When you expand the data, yellow bars will appear to display the last year's final position. I'm going to give you the same warning here about the trending data. These are small numbers and as far as trends go. That is particularly why we allow price adjustment at the market and portfolio level, because those trends can be more meaningful. Reviews. This is the aggregate review score of the listing on the left compared to the aggregate of the market on the right. This is another great troubleshooting metric when investigating underperforming properties. Block days. I largely think of block days and reporting on them as a troubleshooting data for analysts. When the numbers don't make sense, I always check for big blocks to explain the discrepancies.